welcome to an industry update all about Cricut. Something has changed. We had the big drama alert last time, but this gets a little more spicy. My name's Grant, this is 3D Musketeers. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because we're going to have a lot of really cool content coming your way. We want to make sure that you get it where you get your content. Cricut is feeling the heat. The makers of the world can finally rejoice if you own a Cricut. They're realizing that they made a bit of an uh-oh and had no expectation that this was going to freak out. To the point that the CEO is commenting. Now, I want you to understand when a CEO comments on something, it's probably somebody from the marketing department being like, oh, any press is not always good press. And you're right. When you screw your user base, it's not good press. So frustrating in that regard. But you know, I don't feel a lot of love here. I'm actually still pretty pissed. They've rolled back the free plan. If you make an account before December 31st, 2021, you will have lifetime free access to the machines. Be careful, they're going to sell your data. Let me tell you again. They're going to sell your data. When you are using something for free, you are the product. I would not be surprised whatsoever if they sold your data, especially because this entire thing is coming because Cricut is going for an IPO. And what do you want for an IPO? Loads of people using your product. See, that's the deal, right? If they have all of these people on a subscription service, they can state a projected revenue for the year, which makes their company valuation considerably higher, making their initial stock price higher. First off, classy as frig move, Cricut, you're still on my naughty list. Because I know a lot of you that commented on our last video were really upset that this was actually happening. And we agree, this shouldn't happen. This is a band-aid on a massive hemorrhage. They're not caring about secondhand machines. They basically say as soon as the original owner's done, if it's after the 31st of 2021, middle fingers to you because we don't care. The thing for me here, though, this is very much in line with the right to repair, right? This is the right to use. You're now telling me that if I buy your product, you're going to make me pay to use it, when that's not what I agreed to. Cricut was all about a free and open economy for makers to create things. And like I said in the last video, 2020 could not have been better for them. They're still saying, we're gonna do it, and we don't give a damn. But you know, you're right. We did kind of spring this on you a little soon, so we'll give you a grace period, if you will. I'm still not a fan of it. Do not make me pay to use your product. Period. Cricut, you have made the new decision that if I have made an account with you before December 31st, 2021, that you are going to allow me to use this for free for life. That's cool, right? You're not screwing your old users. You are alienating your new ones. Because what's going to happen is that when a Cricut is sold and the person gets out of the business, they're going to sell their account with it. Because Jan 1, 2022, I now have to pay for it. But if I can pay $100 from Joe Blow to give me an account that's going to last forever, that's what I'm going to do instead. And it gets even worse. Schools and education makerspace use, they're saying we don't even have a solution yet. You know what your solution is? Quit being money-hungry jerkbags and actually care about your user base. This is a thinly veiled apology, and I am not accepting it. I think it's great that they've rolled it back, that everyone complaining, they got their message heard. And Cricut said, oh, oops, let's Salt Bay a little bit of good faith to the makers out there and try to appease them. I don't know how we're going to handle this. But I'm looking at this as 3D Musketeers saying that we need to do something about it. Cricut, you should have contingencies in place. Was there not some person that sat on your marketing team? It's like, this is probably going to piss off the makers. And then I feel like CEOs like, screw you, Johnson, no one cares about the makers. They're either going to go to somebody else or they're going to pay. And I would bet dollars for donuts they're going to pay. We will continue to explore affordable ways for our future users who register machines after December 31, 2021 to allow an unlimited number of personal image and pattern uploads. Yeah, you want to know affordable, how to make it affordable, because realistically what you're saying is affordable for you, not affordable for your customers. If I owned a Cricut, it'd be on Facebook Marketplace, it'd be on Craigslist right now. I can't support a company that does this. And honestly, as an owner of a small business, I cannot recommend that you support a company that is doing this either. This is just wrong. For all of you that own Cricuts out there, make your voices heard. They clearly state they don't have a plan. This is very clearly fix the problem mode. CYA, cover our asses, make it right. We will figure it out later. That is a piss poor way of doing it. It's a Band-Aid. You're putting a Band-Aid on a hemorrhage. And I think that Cricut overall is a good company. I think they have a great ecosystem overall. The fact that you can go out to your local Walmart, you can go to Amazon, you can go anywhere to buy their products is awesome, because it means that you have a dedicated supply chain ready, willing, and able to support the users. So Cricut, this message is for you. Get it together. I got 2 business degrees. I could have handled this better. I would handle this better. Because you know what I would say? Give it away to the people. Because at the end of the day, keeping your customers happy right now is way more important. Do not mess with a good thing, Cricut. I know you're trying to go for an IPO, and I respect that. But you're pissing off the wrong people. Don't piss off makers. Nonetheless, this is progress. This is not an apology. This is not an apology. This is not sincere whatsoever, Cricut. I will continue to call you out until you get your stuff together and figure out what your brand is actually going to be. And now you're giving everyone that supported you a middle finger. What are you, 3D Hubs? Don't do this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this Cricut update. Don't forget to leave us a comment, because I'm betting you have an opinion you want to share, and I want to hear it. The team wants to hear it. We want to reply to you. Subscribe as well, please. Again, we would love to see you join the 3D Musketeers family and watch some of the really cool content that we do. Other industry updates, our podcast Making Awesome. We think you might like this content. But let us know. As always, don't forget to call your loved ones. My name's Grant. This is 3D Musketeers. Keep making awesome. Have a good one.